guys, mamili tayo. Ayan na, yung pinamili natin. Okay. Oh, tada. Oh guys, ano pa yung kukunin natin na inumin? Kaya na, wait, yung katoma. Go, katoma. I want to take this one. Yogurt. We don't have yogurt. Uy! Can I see? Let me just check. Uy! What happened? 21. Expired on 21? 8? We don't have new. What about this one? Expired 21, 8. 21. Where yogurt expired when? 21. No. Hindi tayo makakuha ng 21. 8. Bakit? Kailan bang production ito? Noong 1 pa. Oh my goodness. Ada yogurt ba? Ada 21. 1 production 1. Kila ka din. Zen. Bash. Wow guys, see. Different kinds. This is it. Different kinds of olive. So here. Sukari. Boy bawang. Iwi. More boy bawang. How much for the boy bawang? This one. A little time. Boy bawang. And then what is this? Ala, meron pala dito Spanish. Wow. Ito na. Ayan guys. Okay, century tuna. Mega tuna. Magkano to? Master sardines po. Mura lang. Tayo nga ng dalawa. Dalawa master sardines. Ay, ayoko ng pula kasi maanghang. So ito, tayo ng master sardines na dalawa. Okay, dito lang yung mura eh. Century 555 to 10. Okay, ito na lang. Dito na lang. Magkano kayo Argentina? 3. Thanks for watching everyone. Kaya mamili pa ako. Okay guys, thank you.